The Retroid Pocket 6 will be available in two configurations, differentiated by D-pad placement. One model places the D-pad above the left analog stick, while the other positions it below, an ergonomic choice that caters to different playstyles. In the newly shared photos, the black variant features the top-mounted D-pad, while the orange model, appearing closer to a bright yellow, uses the bottom-mounted layout, drawing comparisons to the Conquer Pocket Fit. Retroid didn't stop at front-facing shots either. The images also showcase the back and bottom of the device, giving us a closer look at the ventilation system, rear buttons, and port placement, details that were previously left to the imagination. Under the hood, the Pocket 6 represents a major step forward for Retroid. It features a 5.5-inch AMOLED display with a 1080p resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate, promising vibrant colors and smooth motion, especially noticeable in fast-paced games. Powering the handheld is Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, a flagship-level chip that places the Pocket 6 firmly in high-performance territory. Buyers will have two memory options: 8GB of RAM paired with 128GB of storage, or a higher-end model with 12GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. Keeping everything running is a substantial 6,000 mAh battery, designed to handle long gaming sessions. Connectivity is equally future-facing, with support for Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.3, ensuring fast wireless performance and compatibility with modern accessories. According to Retroid's spec sheet, the Pocket 6 will ship with Android 13 out of the box, giving users access to a wide ecosystem of apps, emulators, and native Android games. As for availability, Retroid expects the first batch of pre-orders to begin shipping in January 2026. A second wave of pre-orders is already open and scheduled to ship in March, offering another chance for those who missed the initial release. With its premium display, flagship processor, and flexible design options, the Retroid Pocket 6 is shaping up to be one of the most ambitious handhelds the company has released to date.